Hello friends, now we all are preparing question papers on Google Form. So one teacher is preparing Google Form for 3 to 4 divisions, and all the responses from all the students are coming to one teacher's ID only, and then we are scrutinizing them and taking our individual numbers. But it is very hectic and laborious work. To avoid this, now we are having some facility which is available in Google Form that we are going to check, and we can avoid all this laborious work. Let us start. First we will open the Google Form. Let's go to the sheets, and here you know how to open the Google Form. So I open the Google Form, and here one demo is already prepared by me. So this is the demo form. Okay, now when you get this demo form, means this is the demo I made for the sake of understanding. Now after opening your question paper, whatever you are preparing, so all the questions are there. After that, what you have to do, here you are having one three dots. Click on these three dots, and then you are having add collaborators. So go on add collaborators, then you will see that here add people and group. So just click on add people and group. Whatever email IDs you want to add over here, these email IDs of the teachers, those whom you want to send the link. Okay, so suppose this is one of the email ID I took. Okay, now then you have to send this to that. You can add one more. If you just go on clicking like this, you can add one, two, three, whatever you want. Now send it. When you will send, now here you will see person added. Okay, now this is my another email ID. Now I'll go to the next email ID, and I am going to act as a another teacher. Okay, so I'll open my email ID here. Here you will get demo one invitation to edit. Okay. So this is the email sent by me to the another teacher, say X, and then now that teacher will open this ID, and after opening that one, here you will find open in forms. So open that one. So you will get the demo forms over here. These are already done by me. So now here, this is the demo form open. Now after opening this demo form, here again three dots. Click on these three dots. Now here you have to say make a copy. Okay, so make a copy, and now here it will ask to rename it. So you can rename that one. So suppose I have written it as demo 1, so I can write it as a demo 1 or demo 2, whatever. So I'll write it as a demo. Okay, and say okay. Okay, so it will be saved in your email ID. Now you can send this link to the students, to your own students, okay, to your division, and all the responses from all the students will be only to your division. Students will come to you, not to the main person who had prepared the question paper. Okay, so like this you can do it, but the person, the main person or the main teacher who had prepared this one, he has to or she has to do one more work. What one more work? Then again he has to go back to his own form. Okay, and then come here, then go to the again add collaborator. So you will see that the collaborator is added over here. Okay, see here this collaborator is there. So go to editor over here and remove this collaborator from this. Okay, when you remove this collaborator, then all the responses only will come to you only, not to the main teacher or the main person. Okay, so remove it. That's all. So what will happen now? You can send the link to your students. You will get all the responses of your division. I will get all the responses to my division only. So like this, you can save your laborious work, and you can utilize your Google form in very sound way. Thank you.